The Desky Spin keypad was designed to complement any dual or L-shaped Desky. Installed flush against the edge of the desktop, this keypad seamlessly provides full control over how you choose to work with comfort and convenience. With a spring-loaded turnstile knob and quick sensitivity, the usability to adjust a height is more efficient and intuitive at lowering and raising the Desky to your preferred height. And a bright lit LED display will show the exact height of your Desky to within 1/10 of a centimetre. And from within this touch interface panel, you have 3 memory preset buttons available, and you can program your Desky to automatically ascend or descend to your chosen heights for quick and simple one-button push transitions. Ergonomically ideal advanced features to the Desky Spin keypad allow you to set a time limit, and an alarm will sound when the timer goes off, and this is a great reminder for limiting and breaking up long periods of sitting at your desk. And with a child lock also available within the settings, when turned on, this locks the keypad after 10 seconds of inactivity, restricting any height adjustments after that, and then following a simple set pattern on the keypad will unlock it again. You'll also be able to set the maximum and minimum height restrictions on your Desky. This is the perfect measure to ensure there are never any accidental collisions with furniture around your Desky. Adjust your comfort with convenience to work better and be more productive with the Spin keypad from Desky.